Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your Garmin watch to Apple Health step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your devices and apps. Make sure your Garmin watch is paired with your iPhone using the Garmin Connect app. You'll also need the AppleHealth app, which comes pre-installed on iPhones. Step 2. Update apps and watch firmware. Open the Garmin Connect app and ensure it's updated to the latest version. Also, check that your Garmin watch has the latest firmware to prevent syncing issues. Step 3. Open the Garmin Connect app. Launch Garmin Connect on your iPhone and go to More at the bottom menu. Then select Settings and choose Connected Apps. In Connected Apps, tap Health or AppleHealth. Follow the prompts to allow Garmin Connect to read and write data to AppleHealth. You can select which data types to share, such as steps, heart rate, sleep, and workouts. Step 5. Verify permissions. Open the AppleHealth app, tap your profile, then Apps, and select Garmin Connect to confirm that all permissions are enabled for syncing. Step 6. Test the connection. Record a short activity or check your step count on your Garmin watch. Open AppleHealth to ensure that the data has synced correctly. Step 7. Customize data and tracking. Within AppleHealth, you can choose which metrics to display and track daily, giving you a complete overview of your fitness progress. Your Garmin watch is now successfully connected to AppleHealth, allowing you to view all your fitness data in one place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more fitness and tech tutorials.